Let me be your lucky star. Shine it down.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Linda and I love fashion, and today we're gonna do one of my infamous shortest unboxing videos from all YouTube. So I've purchased my COPERNI wedges flip-flop wedges on, as usual, SSENSE. By the way, if you are looking for the best luxury shopping online destination, go to SSENSE. Not sponsored though, even though like they should, because they're taking all my money. Anyway, so here is the box, and this is my second COPERNI shoes. And for the little story, it's been like maybe a year or so. Well, since last summer that I wanted to purchase those shoes. The first time I saw those shoes, it was on myteresa.com, and finally I had the opportunity to buy them. I decided to buy something else. Well, when I saw that SSENSE had my size, I was like, okay, it was meant to be, I need to purchase them. So when you open the box, you have a dust bag like this, and then when you open this silk paper, you get, wow, those beautiful wedges. I love them. They're so like, I don't know, it gives how do you say, kind of a nonchalant vibe, you know what I mean? And I love everything about those shoes. I love the heel that is not that big, you know what I mean? I love that it's comfortable, well, it looks comfortable. And also, most importantly, I love that it's kind of, in French, we say it, Madeleine de Proust. Basically, it's something that when you see it, it evokes you like a childhood memory, something comforting, something from your like past. And for me, this kind of shoes were super trendy in Russia. Yeah, so my mom is from Russia, you know, Russian. She's a Russian, so I'm half Russian. And every summer, I used to go like for 3 months to see my grandparents, you know, over there. And so every summer, like, you know, I was like me, young teenager, well, child, let's say, and I was seeing all the like teenagers and girls wearing like this kind of flip-flop in this kind of material, except that the color were more like, you know, colorful and girly and everything. But this is exactly the same kind of shoes that we used to wear back then, and I love that about it. Even my mom, when I'm gonna show it to her, she's gonna like evoke that directly for sure. So yeah, this is why I'm so happy. So in terms of comfort, it's so comfortable. Honestly, you wear them with a mini skirt, a long skirt, baggy pants, legging. Well, you wear it with everything literally, and it's so comfortable, you know what I mean? Like your foot is stable, like I'm just in love with it. And honestly, I really have to do a styling video. No, you know what, I will include the styling videos, like clips right now, how I would wear it. First outfit that I imagine, I better be fast, quick, and record those clips, you know. This is what I'm telling myself right now. So I see myself wearing it with a mini skirt, my gray mini skirt, with maybe a black t-shirt, a simple black t-shirt, and those shoes, you know, and I'm good to go to do my little errands in the city. Then second option, it's like a long skirt, denim skirt. This one is from Mango, with maybe a white, my white 032C top, just like that. I think it's kind of cute, you know. And maybe last look, it will be with my Maison Margiela baggy pants, which are like my favorite pants ever. It's my like lucky pants, you know. well, with obviously my COPERNI wedges, and then I will put like or a tank top or like a black t-shirt, and I think this is my favorite look from everything that I showed you. So yeah, that is that, guys. I told you it will be super short. Let me know in the comments down below what you are thinking. I'm gonna try to put the link of the product from SSENSE and also My Teresa if they still have them. So let me know in the comments if you bought yourself a pair or no, but I definitely recommend it if you want it for summer. If you look for like a cute heeled platform shoes, sandals, I would say go for those because first of all, they're super cute. Second of all, nobody will have them in your city, that's for sure. And third, like, it's badass. I don't know, I love the vibe of them. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.